no kingdom.
Can't stop and look on my phone to see if that protects me.
Hi guys, it's Itsmeabae. Welcome back to my channel. You know the usual, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I hope today's video is going to be short and straight to the point, but let's get to it. I'm going to share with you guys some tips that I've discovered and came up with on how to reduce breakage and to maintain my length. Now, I've really been trying to grow my hair this year for sure. Like, I've been serious about it. I've been deep conditioning, protective styling, tying it down, taking biotin, taking hair vitamins, all that jazz. And so far I'm seeing results. So I just want to share with you guys what I do and tips that you can, things that you can do to reduce your breakage so you can maintain your length. I don't know if I said it before, but I came up with 10 things that you can do. Number 1, scalp stimulation. When you stimulate your scalp by massaging it, you help the blood to flow to your follicles to get it pumping, get it growing, basically, to get it to grow. So when you stimulate your scalp and your follicles, your hair grows. For example, I saw a video on Instagram by Farah Dukai, the famous internet auntie, where she would bend her head upside down and massage her scalp for 5 minutes. Because she's bending her head upside down, the blood is flowing to her roots. So that helps to stimulate your scalp, basically. What I also use, well, to oil my scalp to stimulate growth or to stimulate my follicles, I mix Jamaican black castor oil and peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is an essential oil, so I don't use much. What I do, I try to massage it. I oil my entire scalp and I take my time to massage it into my hair. Number 2, moisturizing your ends. I've said this many times in my other natural hair videos. You can also go and check those out. They'll be linked down below in my description box. You need to moisturize your ends. The ends of your hair are basically the oldest part of your hair, meaning they were once coming from your scalp, straight from your scalp or your roots, and they grew. So therefore they are the oldest and they are more susceptible to break off. So you need to pay more attention to moisturizing and keeping those ends healthy. Number 3, using the wrong products. Now, I've been a victim to that. I remember when the Cantu line came out and everybody was just talking about it. I decided to try it. My hair hated Cantu. It felt like a dry, brittle pot scrubber. It was the worst. And it was so expensive in Trinidad here. I just say, no, you finish, use it out and then I'll stop using it. I try to keep it simple now with my shea butter and my ORS leave-in moisturizer. I keep it simple. Oils, leave-in, shea butter. That's it. That's all. So you need to pay attention to what your hair likes and how your hair reacts. It will take you years because I've been natural since 2013 and I've been trying different products. I try to keep it as simple as possible. But then again, it's still good to try different things because your hair will get accustomed to a product and it may stop working as it should because your hair is accustomed to it. Number 4, diet and water intake. This one is a bit hard, right? But I try to drink a lot of water as the day passes by. I usually try to drink a 1.5 liter bottle of blue waters a day. I know that's not enough, but it's a start. You need to pay special attention to what you're putting in your body because, of course, what's inside will show on the outside. So if you want your hair to grow, you need to take care of what's on the inside so the outside can flourish, okay? Number 6, no sleep protection. You need to take care of your hair whilst you sleep. So for example, per se, if you were to sleep with your hair untied, imagine you are lying on your pillow and your little ends are sticking out and they'll get stuck in the pillowcase, and when you turn, the hair will turn and break off, basically because it's stuck inside the pillowcase. So to prevent the breakage of your hair, and especially the ends of your hair, which are again most susceptible to breakage, you need to tie it down. So what I would either use a satin scarf or a bonnet, or you can even use a silk pillowcase. Any of these work. I forgot one thing with number 4 for diet and water intake. I take biotin. I believe the brand is Nature Valley or Nature Isles. I'll insert a picture on either side of me. And I also take hair, skin and nails vitamin gummies. I need to get my hair growing. I want my hair to be long, longer before the year is finished. I need to see some results, so I am committed to taking my vitamins, taking my water, taking my everything. Okay? Okay. It's easier to do more protective styles. So for example, braids. My first go-to, my favorite go-to would be twists. It's very long. It takes me very long to do because I like to do many twists. So if I don't feel like doing many twists, I'll do chunky twists. So twists, plaits, cornrows, braids, wigs, anything for me not to manipulate my hair, I will do. It's your hair really grows best when you just leave it alone. You treat it, take care of it, baby it, and then leave it alone. Let it just flourish, blossom, and grow. Back to number 8. Number 8 would be detangling on dry hair. That's basically a natural hair sin. Why would you detangle on dry hair? Your hair is dry and you're combing it. Friction equals your hair will break. So to avoid that happening, you need to dampen your hair with some water. I see some persons mix oil and water, or they mix conditioner and water. Never ever detangle your hair whilst it's dry. I have another video on how I prep my hair for wash day. You can check out that video, and also another video on how to moisturize natural hair. I believe in both videos I explain to you how I detangle my natural hair to reduce breakage, and you can see what I do there. So check out those videos in my description box down below. Number 9. You definitely need to deep condition regularly. To me, well, I have low porosity hair, low porosity 4C hair with some different textures mixed up all over. My hair is not evenly textured, I would say, right? You need to deep condition regularly. My hair is thirsty. It's thirsty. In Trinidad, we call it thirsty. My hair thirsty, right? So I try to deep condition every single week. And by deep condition, I mean I make my clay treatment with bentonite clay, amla, shakaka, neem, aloes, whatever I can get my hands on. I make a hair mask and I deep condition my hair every week. If you want to see the recipes for that and my application method, guess where it is? In my description box. So make sure and check that out. Yes, so I cleanse my scalp by shampooing it, of course, and then I will deep condition for an hour and I'll moisturize. Okay, you can follow those steps in my description box below. And last but not least, okay, it's the last one. Yeah, it's the last one. Number 10. Too much tension. Now ladies, I know we like to look cute and have our edges slayed. I know my edges is not slayed, but still have your edges slayed. Okay, we like to change up our hairstyles, feel cute, feel boyish. I know how it is. I know how it is. But you see those, listen, my second favorite go-to hairstyle is a puff. When I'm tired, I don't know what else to do with my hair, I'm feeling lazy, a puff. But I've realized that my hair has started to thin behind my ears and in the back, where my hair is pulled up into a puff. To me, the tension that my hair gets in a puff, especially the part where the band is, it weakens that spot. Think of you wearing a rubber band on your hand in one spot for days and it's tight here. When you take off the rubber band, you see an indentation on your wrist. So think about your hair, think about your wrist as your hair. Over a period of time, it's on the same spot, that's a lot of tension and it can cause your hair to break right on that spot. So try to avoid doing these type of tight hairstyles where you're causing too much tension on your hair. That's it, folks. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to tell a friend, tell a neighbor, tell everybody. Please, thank you very much. You can leave a comment down below if you felt that I missed out anything. You can also feel free to ask me any questions or concerns. I'll be very, very happy to answer it in the comments down below. Bye. See you guys next time.